Hi, it's Cindy and Jan on the back roads with another vendor from the Mother's Day Market in Plain City, Ohio. Denise owns a flower farm, the Plain City Flower Farm, and she has gorgeous flowers.
Hi everybody, it's Cindy and Jan on the back roads, and we are here with Denise Hahn, and she has Plain City Flower Farm.
Yes.
And she's going to give us a little spill on where she is and what all they do there.
Yes.
So
Thank
go ahead,
you.
Denise.
Thank you so much. My name is Denise, and I do own Plain City Flower Farm. We are on the south end of Plain City on A.W. Wilson Road, and we have started our business just a year ago, and we're rolling into our second year now, and we have all kinds of flowers, everything from zinnias to dahlias to peonies to ranunculus and anemones, and just all kinds of exciting expansions this year in store as well. So come on out and check us out.
Great. We'll link your website.
Okay, that sounds
Thank
great.
you.
Thank you.
She has beautiful items.
Thank you so much.
There's no need to purchase flowers in the grocery store when you have a flower farm in your community. We hope you check her out, and we hope you share her video so that others can find her. And as always, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page. We share vendors' upcoming events and specials on our Facebook page. And as always, if you know someplace great that we should check out, please let us know. We're always up for an adventure, and we're always happy to take the back roads to get there. Thanks for watching.